Transform your outdoor space into a sophisticated retreat where style meets comfort. Consider furniture that not only enhances the look of your patio, but also creates a welcoming environment for relaxation and enjoyment. With the right choices, your backyard can become a stunning escape, perfectly reflecting your personal taste. This video will cover all the information you require about patio furniture, including how to elect pieces that are fashionable, long-lasting, and comfy. We'll go over various materials, styles, and configurations to assist you in creating an area that seems like a real outdoor addition to your house. Choosing the right materials. First things first, let's talk materials. Patio furniture needs to withstand the elements, so what should you be looking for? Options like wood, metal, and synthetic wicker each have their pros and cons. Some require more maintenance, while others offer better durability in extreme weather. The key is to balance the look you love with the practicality you need. Comfort and cushioning. Now, let's talk comfort. After all, what's the point of a gorgeous patio set if it's not comfortable? Cushion quality matters just as much as the furniture frame. Whether you prefer firm support or a softer feel, the material you choose for your cushions can impact both comfort and longevity. And don't forget to pick weather-resistant fabrics that can handle the elements. Size and layout of your space. Your patio furniture should fit your space, not overwhelm it. Think about how much room you really have and choose pieces that offer functionality without sacrificing style. Whether you have a small patio or a large one, the layout should create a harmonious balance between open space and seating areas. Style and aesthetic. Style is what brings your patio to life. Whether you lean towards sleek modern lines or a rustic laid-back vibe, your patio should reflect your personal taste. Mixing different materials and adding accessories like pillows, rugs, and lighting can tie the whole look together, creating a space that feels inviting and complete. Budget-friendly options. Patio furniture doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of ways to create a beautiful outdoor space on a budget. Keep an eye out for sales, discounts, or even consider some DIY projects to update or personalize your existing furniture. With a little creativity, you can achieve the look you want without overspending. Eco-friendly choices. Many people today are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact. Choosing eco-friendly patio furniture made from sustainable or recycled materials is a great start. Additionally, opting for durable pieces that can be repaired rather than replaced will help you create a more sustainable outdoor space. Outdoor lighting. Finally, let's not forget about lighting. The right lighting can extend the usability of your patio into the evening, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. String lights, solar-powered fixtures, or lanterns can all add a beautiful glow to your space, making it perfect for relaxing or entertaining after dark. We've covered a lot to assist you in making well-informed decisions for your patio. From selecting the appropriate materials and guaranteeing comfort to locating reasonably priced, environmentally responsible, and well-lit solutions. Which elements or aesthetics are the most significant to you in your outdoor space? I appreciate you viewing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked this video. Keep checking back for more advice on optimizing your outside area.